Okay guys, I'm back with yet another simple tutorial of WhatsApp. So I just want to show you some simple trick about WhatsApp. So today I'm just here to show you how to connect your WhatsApp on a mobile or an Android phone to your computer or desktop, maybe through a browser, or some people already have apps, WhatsApp app or desktop app installed on their computer. So today I'm going to show you how to connect the two, the Android app and the computer or the desktop app. So maybe if you don't have the desktop app, you can still connect through the browser or on the WhatsApp web. So let's go ahead, and I think I will start off with a tutorial. So on this right, I have my phone, my Android phone open, and my apps are here, and my WhatsApp is around here. So I have my WhatsApp open, and I'm going to show you how to connect this WhatsApp around here to your computer. So first of all, I'm going to connect this WhatsApp on web, such that even if you don't have the app installed, you can still access the web version and have your WhatsApp on the computer. So after setting it up, I think let me go ahead and start it. So let's search for WhatsApp web. WhatsApp web. So you realize that it's already brought here. You click on WhatsApp web, and you visit the link. This is the official link. You can download the app. I will show you how to download the desktop app, where you can still just visit WhatsApp web direct. So this is the WhatsApp web page. This is how it looks like in your browser. So you kind of want to link your WhatsApp and you display all these chats on the web or on your computer. So let's go ahead and see. So now let me first kind of go back, then open the WhatsApp again. So make sure your WhatsApp is open, and once it's open, click on this on the three buttons in the corner. So I go ahead and click on them, and then you will see in the dialog box that appears, you will see the option called linked devices. So click on the linked devices, and inside the linked devices, use WhatsApp on other devices, and they will tell you link a device. So you click on link a device. So it will show you maybe to put a password in order to confirm, but mine has a fingerprint unlocker. So let me first unlock using my fingerprint, and it will open the scan QR code scanner. So you have to use this QR code scanner to scan this code here on your computer. So you aim the scanner here into this QR code, and it will automatically connect the WhatsApp to your web. So I will go ahead and aim my scanner to this desktop QR code, and you can see finally they are telling you that they have added device status Google active, Windows it's active, Google Chrome. So this is our browser, Google Chrome, and we are using a Windows computer. So this is how they are describing it: browser Google Chrome, computer Windows, and it's active right now. So successfully we've connected our WhatsApp to our web on the computer. So let's go ahead and go back, and we see whether we can start browsing and how we can start off. So this is our WhatsApp right now on the phone, and here it's on the computer. So you can go ahead and click on one of the chats. I think you can see I can decide to send some message to my friend here, and you will see the same message appearing on the phone also. So let me also open the phone chat such that you can see. So it's the same now. We are on WhatsApp. So let me open another chat. This one would be Radiant. I would want to talk to this guy, bro, or even my brother Benjamin. Let me just open my chat to Benjamin. So I've now opened my WhatsApp chat with my brother Benjamin. So we're going to start communicating. So you will see that the messages that I'm sending on the web version, they are the same messages that are being pasted on the Android version. So let's go ahead and say hello Benjamin. Once you press enter, the message will go and you will receive a message, and also on the web version you will see the message. So you say, please, I'm testing my WhatsApp on web. So you realize there are the same messages. So successfully we've managed to connect WhatsApp, Android WhatsApp to the web. So that's one way you can do that. So here you can go ahead and click on chats, communicate with people. You can also see their profile pics. Like for example, this guy's profile pic, click on it, it zooms out, you can see profile pic, then you cancel, go back. You can also see the status, people's status. So these are the status of different people. For example, this friend of mine, his status is here. Okay, some good statuses. Anyway, now this is how you see the status. Then also you can create a new chat, a new group from here. Things are very simple. And you can also change the settings from here. You can see this is my official chat. This is my official profile pic. So you can do everything that you are able to do on the Android phone. You can be able to do the same things on the computer or the WhatsApp web version. So this is the first one way of accessing your Android WhatsApp on web. And also now let me go on the second way, where people already have their WhatsApp web installed on their computer. Or let me just install WhatsApp web on the computer and then we start off. Now you have to go back to the WhatsApp, the initial page of WhatsApp web, or even you can search WhatsApp web free download for PC. You can put for PC, or even you can leave, it will come automatically. Okay, where I think the one we are looking for is this WhatsApp for PC. So you make sure you're downloading from trusted sources. It brings us to the download page, and here we can choose which version of WhatsApp we want. But remember, we had searched for WhatsApp for Windows. So let's go ahead and download WhatsApp for Windows. Oh, I think it's some kind of a corrupted file. We need a working, a corrupted link. We need a working link, 64-bit. Let me try this one. It's also corrupted, but again, where download. I don't know why these links are not working. You can try unofficial sites if you want, but I think I would recommend to download from Onre official site. People already have WhatsApp from an official site, but it's working perfect. It's okay, you can download from other sources as long as you have WhatsApp installed on a computer. For example, now you see this source is kind of working, but the file is kind of big, 130 MBs. But anyway, let's wait for the file to download. I'm sure after downloading it will be able to work. So as we wait, let me show you. Now, for example, people who are running Windows 10 and Windows 11, they already have WhatsApp web already installed, or even comes in the Windows App Store. So you can download from Windows App Store or the Microsoft Store if you're running Windows 11 or Windows 10. So you go ahead, you open your Microsoft Store and search for WhatsApp and you install it. So I already have WhatsApp installed. You just click on it. It's almost the same procedure. Click on it, tap on connect device, and finally you'll connect the device. So it's kind of taking longer. I would have showed you how to install download the WhatsApp app on Microsoft Store, and then that will be for people who are using Windows 11 and I think Windows 10. So let's first of all install our WhatsApp. It has finished downloading. Let's install and see. Okay, finally, so you open, and you see it is telling you to run, so you accept and run. I think you no longer need the web. So you have to wait for that WhatsApp to install. So it's kind of taking long, but again, as I said, we just have to be patient a little bit. I already have WhatsApp installed on my computer, so next it would be very easy to open the app and follow the almost the same procedures that we did. So click on the app, that is after installing. Sorry about that. Okay, so once the app is open, you kind of follow the same procedure just like we did before. Make sure your WhatsApp, is also open. Tap, connect new device, and then you tap link device. Verify that you are the one. Then scan the QR code, and the device will be linked perfectly. So you can see that we've linked a new device here, Windows active. So that's how they link WhatsApp from Android to Windows. So successfully we've linked our WhatsApp on the Android phone to WhatsApp on Windows. So now we can go ahead and chat just like we did before. You can see chats are loading and everything. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next story.